All right, here's the ministry dude at KOA campground. We're continuing our magnet fishing. He's reeling it in now. Let's see if we got anything on the end here. Coming in slowly. This is a slow. You want to take it easy. Just in. Oh, it sounded like he snagged something. Oh, we got a big one. Got a big old magnet coming in there.
Looks like there's something on it. It could just be the.
Yeah, it could have caught on something, rocks or something. Wow. Look at that.
I don't call touching it.
We got some algae. Well,
Nothing that time.
toss it in again. It's just like regular fishing. It just takes that. Watch out, you guys. Get back. It just takes time. This is the ministry dude signing off. Have a blessed one.